Hi, my name is Jessica and I will be the one who will present. And there is my group. In my case is I want to go to my house from my apartment, and let's say I have many intersection on my way, and each intersection I can either turn left, go straight, or turn right. Each intersection has different times, right? There is traffic, red light, or maybe accident, and the distance. And I use Google Maps to navigate my way back home because Google Maps use the same algorithm as dynamic programming. How does Google Maps do it? Can we manually do the same? We can, but it's not as accurate as Google Maps do, because in Google Maps we can know whether the routes that I will take will have accident or not. If we want to do it manually, we can know the routes by just knowing the how many red light, or there is traffic, or distance. And what does dynamic programming do? Dynamic programming basically involves sequence of interrelated decisions where the first decision impacts the next one, so on. Cost from stage k to stage k plus 1 is generated from cost at stage k plus stage k to stage k plus 1. We can use this backward approach for this case. Here we replace the cost with time. There are only two steps here. The x-axis here is the road option, and the y-axis is the amount of traffic light, and the z-axis is the hours spent on the journey. Dynamic programming reduces the complexity by moving from one end to the other systematically, giving only the best solution in the end. We start doing this by taking the road nearest to Jessica's house, either by train, station, or airplane. How many traffic lights are there, and how many hours will be spent? Next step, after deciding the least hours we can afford, we move to the second step, which is how I get my way out from Siwalan-Kerto. The step can only done by finishing the first one, because without it, we cannot determine the time. With multiple time, when she takes every single path, then we can determine which road is with the minimum delay. This is because every single road had been taken note, so the wait and process time is determined, which be able to know which road is traffic jam or less jam. After mapping the road, pick the road which have less time again and again until the destination, then back mapping the road where is the less estimated time and gap to determine which road to be chosen. So the conclusion is we can do the manually way, but it takes a lot of time. Yeah, but we can. So okay, thank you.